We are back at Tenkaichi Japanese BBQ Shabu Shabu. Now I wanted to show you my special fried Korean glass noodles after boiling them in the soup for a bit. I pour them into the pot and fry them. I decided to try this for fun because I realized that you can really be very creative when you have a BBQ and shabu shabu pot in front of you. Put a little bit of vegetables and fry them a little bit. I think what happens is they absorb all the oils from the pot because previously we have been cooking plenty of chicken on this BBQ pot, and I'm sure it will taste awesome. Good fun, and next time when I come, maybe I will try to fry rice. That will be so fun indeed, but today is just fried grass noodles, just to show you how interesting and how creative you can be when it comes to cooking your own food at this Japanese BBQ come Shabu Shabu restaurant. Now this was towards the end of our meal, and I'll show you what we ate if you keep watching. But this is what my semi-fried noodle looked like. And even the soup, you can pour a little bit and watch it fizzle. I just wanted to show this to you. Don't recommend it to play with, but it'll be good too. And now this is back to the start of the meal. Before we started, they put a piece of paper on the BBQ pot so that your meat don't stick too much. And here come all the raw stuff. Raw meat, so we ordered lots of sushi and maybe a little bit too much. But it was really nice. Really nice, because you can eat the sushi as you wait for the raw food to get cooked. Now you really don't want to rush into eating these chicken pieces. They are quite thick slabs. They will get cooked, you just have to be patient. I'd say take about 10 minutes. Gotta flip it around. One way is to put it skin against the BBQ plate and let the skin get charred and burned up. Then you can strip away the chicken skin and just eat the meat. Less fat. In fact, let the chicken get cooked in its own skin fat, which is cool. So you don't have to add oil or butter at all. You can also cook your vegetables, but most of our vegetables we put in the soup pot for shabu shabu. Now this mix of both BBQ and shabu shabu concoction is very nice because you can have BBQ stuff, nice BBQ strong flavor, and then softer, milder, soupy soup, and you can alternate, soup, BBQ. It provides a very awesome balance compared to just say a pure BBQ place. And you can also decide to BBQ or anything. Yeah. Bye bye.